How to use your KneeMD. First, open the KneeMD by pressing down on the black buttons while rotating the handle up. To lock the handle into place, let go of the levers. Place the unit next to your affected leg to set the pads to the proper length. The black knee pads on top should sit above and below your knee. The red ankle pad should be placed at the level of your ankle. Be careful not to place the pads directly over incisions or areas of injury. If you have just undergone total knee replacement, you may need to remove the second black pad to avoid your incision site. To do this, simply remove the Velcro straps and slide them out of the unit. KneeMD will still function normally with one knee strap and one ankle strap. When you have finished adjusting the pads, slowly place your leg into the unit with the red pad behind your ankle and the black knee pads just above and below your knee. Adjust the handle to the proper position so that your arms are straight out in front of you. If you prefer, you can lie back and adjust the handles to that position. Different positions may be more effective for different people. Once you're in a comfortable position for stretching, gently pull the handle towards your chest. Hold the stretch for at least 30 seconds and then gently release the stretch. After a brief rest, repeat the stretch. The intensity, duration, and frequency of the stretch should be directed by your physician or therapist. Typically, it is best to stretch multiple times per day. The handle locks into 4 different positions. Try different positions to find the most comfortable position for you and for stretching different parts of your leg. You may also use KneeMD to passively rotate your knee without engaging your leg muscles. To do this, sit on the edge of a chair and let your lower leg hang while in the unit. Slowly rotate your knee up and down through your comfortable range of motion. Let your affected leg muscles relax during this exercise. KneeMD can be used anywhere and is a great way to help restore motion in your knee after surgery.